Perfect, 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 perfect.
Hello everybody, this is Andre J. McClendon. Welcome to the Andre J. McClendon Show. Today's video is going to be 5 ways to make money with little to no money startups. So, jump right in it. My first thing that I love when people have little to no money to make more money with is trading Forex. Trading Forex, for me, I've been trading for a couple of years now and I love it. It's been a lot of fun, but when it comes to new people starting out the trade, it's been one of the most accelerant ways that people flip their accounts from $100 to $400, $100 starting, that's usually what we get, to $500 to $1,000. So my favorite way for people to start making a lot more money is trading and investing, but primarily in the Forex market. Number 2 way, which is 100% free, is Amazon affiliate. Now, Amazon affiliate, you literally just go down to Amazon, scroll down to the bottom, and go to the business section and be like, click on affiliate. Get it applied. It'll take back in a couple days, but literally you can sell. You can have affiliate links click through like Facebook, Pinterest, or different social media platforms, and have that all linked. So when they go buy like Dre Beats, or like buy video games, or buy whatever, you get a commission or a kickback. So let's say you're on Pinterest and you click on soaps, and someone wants to buy this bar of soap, and they go through your link and they go purchase within 24 hours, boom, you get a kickback. Now the third thing that's pretty easy, I've seen people start their own blogging, and they can go on free websites and create their own websites and blog about their life, their day, such and such, connect it to YouTube, and actually earn some income from doing that. And they'll spend very much, maybe have their cell phone or camera or webcam like this, and make pretty good income. The fourth thing that I've seen dramatically change people's lives is having an online business towards like a multi-level marketing business. Now that to me is one of the fastest ways and easiest ways for people to make money, long as you're dedicated, like all the other ones I've listed before, and you stay on there. The business feeds, we just do the business part of any company out there. You can just go to DSN 100, look at the top 100 companies, and do one of those, for example. And those have changed people's lives. You get a business, you have deductions, you have more power for your taxation, for taxes. When it comes to W-2s, you get a 1099, you make I think like $400 in a year, but you can get some deductions off that. The last thing is, this is pretty cool. It's a social media platform called Steemit. Just go to steemit.com, and basically you can make posts and comments, and people can upvote you, kind of like your stuff, and pay you money. So for example, which I'll show on the screen on here somewhere around here, is that when you make a comment or make a post about your dog or sharing a YouTube video, if people like it and they kind of click like the upvote, basically they can send you money. And if they send you money, liking your video, you can get paid for it. And those are some 5 simple, easy, cheap ways that basically is all under $100 to start off with, to make some money real quick online, or either online or just with your phone. But if you'd like more, check out my other videos below. They're in the description. And if you want to find out more how to trade Forex and jump into the cryptocurrency markets, go to AndreJMcClendon.com, click Trade with Andre, and find out more, or hit me up on all social media. Fastest way is Facebook. But guys, have a wonderful, beautiful day. Let's start the conversation about business and money and how to make money real quick. Have a nice day.